on YouTube? It's your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So I hope all of y'all have been having a great week. Starting off y'all week right, and y'all had a great weekend as well. Today we're gonna be going through some stuff that we should have went through over this weekend, but very busy weekend. You all know I'm getting ready to leave, getting ready to move. Had a lot of moving things going on this weekend. So if y'all new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy the Retro Wiz Kid. That way y'all don't miss any of the content drop on the channel, as well as give your boy a thumbs up. Let your boy the Retro Wiz Kid know that y'all rocking with your boy. We trying to get 20 thumbs up on the video, y'all. And drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think about the unboxings and the pickup. So y'all already know what time it is and what we do over here with them new shoes. So you know we gonna do it with these, cause this is what we do. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Smell test approved by your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, y'all. So we got that black Flyknit Retro 3. Now, this was a must grab for me. Now, in the beginning, y'all, when I saw this shoe, I knew off rip I wanted it. Now, talking to my bro when they were getting ready to release, he was like, bro, don't hop on them like that. They're gonna sit. And I was like, nah, bro, you know, they're gonna fly. You know, everybody calls these the broke man's cause fours. If they don't have a cause fours, they call these the broke man's cause fours. So anyway, that's besides the point. I wanted this shoe, so I waited about a week, y'all. Now, these were $215, $220-ish, I think, depending on the sneakers app. And I only think these came out on the sneakers app. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you all got, wherever you are in the States, you got these at your select retail store. But I got these off Foot Locker over here in Germany, and my bro gave me a $30 or 30 euro discount on the shoe. So the shoe was only $179. I got it for $150. And yeah, just all around great pickup for me. Definitely gonna rock these this week. I can already tell you I'm gonna rock these. I do like how they went and they did it all elegant with the lace, with the wax laces. Nice high gloss black going around that midsole. And the shoe just looks like, I love how the inside of the shoe is that leather for all of the Flyknits. As you all know, I love the Flyknits. I think they did a good job of coming with the Flyknit 3. Jordan brand, don't bring us another Flyknit 3. This one is good enough. Don't push your luck with the Flyknit 3. So let's get into a couple of these unboxings. Yeah. So y'all, first unboxing, and this is being brought to us by none other than the big bro B-boy LARS Spin. These right here are a Grail pickup, and this is the white neutral gray University blue. This is back when those Air Jordan and $50, man. It's crazy how prices of Jordans have just gone up and up and up and up and up. It just kills me, man. So you already know these came from GOAT, to be exact. So got the little GOAT, got your little retro Jordan Retro 13 card. Let you know how old these shoes are. And yes, these are old. These are old in great condition. Actually, these are in prestige condition for their age. Very dope retro. Got these from GOAT. First time actually seeing a shoe come from GOAT. Very, very nice. These are plush. They need to definitely bring these back for us. Man, it's just crazy when you see the craftsmanship of an older shoe and seeing how it held up, just seeing how well the shoe looks. It's just, I'm never dissatisfied with how older Jordans look. But you know, these days you never can tell as time goes on how the Jordan's gonna look. But this right here, you have that neutral gray Retro 13 classic colorway. They need to bring it back, Jordan brand, bring it back. Can't go wrong with that nice baby blue on the bottom. Y'all see it. You got that OVO, them Jordans, size 10.5. All right, B-boy. Let's go ahead and see what we got up in this thing. So, first things first, We know that these things are fresh and new, coming straight from StockX, y'all. Now, y'all already know what time it is, and y'all know what we do when we get them new kicks on the channel. Y'all getting 2 of them. Y'all getting a double whammy in this one video, y'all. Oh, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes. Smell test approved by your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. Y'all, these things are nasty. These things are nasty. Them OVO 10 things. Yo, B-boy, man, you did it with this. Now, Troy, bro was like he wished that he ordered the white ones, but got the black ones. I'm not gonna lie, just seeing these, you know, it's different when you're at a convention or something, you're looking at a shoe, you don't get to admire it the way that you want to look at it. Craftsmanship of this OVO is very nice, very well put together, all the way down to the shoe tips. Shoe tips having the Jordan Jumpman on there, I think that's a nice touch to it. You know how we rock with the boxes, so when you got that special box for a special kick, always hitting it and bringing that pressure, you know what I'm saying? So when you know, slight pressure that they brought with these. And I honestly can say that out of all the OVOs, the OVO 10 white, I think is probably my favorite one out of all of the OVOs that have dropped. But that is it right there for you all. Y'all already know how we get down. We're gonna spin some pictures for y'all. If y'all just now tuned into the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring that notification bell for your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. That way y'all don't miss any of the content I put out on the channel, y'all. Don't forget, follow your boy on Instagram at the Retro Wiz Kid, posting them pictures daily for y'all. And like I said, caught these things for a steal. So about $170 something in American dollars, so not bad to catch these. And y'all let me know where these came out at in y'all cities. It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. Got some videos that I gotta drop. Appreciate all the love and support that I get from each and every one of y'all. Get it!